Hey guys, KawaiiCat here, and I was Vanessa, and today I'm waiting on my slime because I ordered it, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, so I'm waiting for those to be delivered. Oh, they're here. Come in. Hi. Come in. Hey, let me go get it. Hi, this is a package for Vanessa. Oh, that's me. Thank you.
I think it's for slime.
Oh yeah. Okay. Thank you. Everything. Yeah. And so I got my package. Oh, whoops. And so I'm having my friend over here too, so she can open it with me. This is like what the package looks like. So my friend is right here, so she can come. Come on.
I'm coming.
And so,
I was having
and so we're
scoot
gonna
over
be
so I
opening
can-
this together. So Mariah, look what I bought.
Okay, can I read it?
Yes, and this
Okay, this says no refund.
This is what they look like. Oh, okay.
I think it does it then. Okay, did you show them?
Yeah.
The picture?
Yep.
It says no refunds. Vanessa. Hi, my name is Angelina and I sent you some slimes. And there's extras. Receipt. Fruity lemon, starburst slime, strawberry slime at Angelina Slimes. Okay. So go ahead and buy from there. Whoa, okay, there's a lot of extras. Okay, we're gonna take out the slimes and we're gonna put them up there. Not
So
yet, we're not gonna open them. We're gonna show you all the extras. So wait,
there's like
wait, don't say anything. We're gonna put everything back into their bags.
Squishy thing in here. It's from Cloud Home. I don't know what this is about. It's like the squishy, but it's super fast rising. Oh, that was squishy.
Let's see. Yep, that's a
We
squishy.
have this basketball thing.
Wait a second. Don't show them any of these yet. Oh, I have one of these. Okay, she gave us one of these thingies. They're like a prank thing. I know these.
And then there's like a bouncy ball, and it doesn't even light up. Like there's something in here.
Okay, she gave us
But
like
this
a
one light up.
gorilla. It's like hard squishy. Hard squishy.
It is a gorilla thing.
Okay, there's a whole bag of like painted like rocks and
Some of them fell out. Ooh.
and like dice. Okay, we can play with those, I guess.
And then we have this like thing which I'm getting saying these go with each other. So there's this like
okay.
flex thing.
I
And
think
then there's
she's.
this.
I don't.
And you're supposed to
Oh,
recreate
okay. So
these.
there's
with-
this
yeah.
thingy. I'm gonna take off. Whoa. Okay, this is actually an awesome thing.
And look.
This is the only good thing she's doing.
Oh, I've seen these before. So where you go, look, what you do with these is you go like that and then you do that. And then,
Hey. Oh my God! It actually works so well.
oh my God.
Okay, that's a good thing. Thank you, Angelina. She brought us some gum. Okay, there's only 3.
There's
Don't wait,
wrappers
don't.
in it, too.
Oh, yeah, there's a lot of wrappers.
Then there's like a bracelet in here. It's a cool looking
There's
bracelet.
only 3? Oh, okay.
And there's this like cool looking bracelet. My mom made that.
Whoa. I
And
think her
Angelina
mom said...
told us that her mom made
Yeah, her
this.
mom made that. Okay.
It's a cool looking bracelet. And it came with a thing.
Sorry.
And it came with, bless you. And it came with this like hook and with rubber band.
That's
Very
it.
cute.
Okay, thank you. These
This is
things
very
actually really cool.
Yeah, and that puzzle thing is like there's like beginner stuff. And then the
Wow. Okay, so that's all of the extras.
Wow.
So that's nice. That's
But on
really
to the slime.
On to the slime.
There's this one.
First slime. It's called. What is this slime supposed to be? The Starburst slime,
I'm supposing because it's that color.
or
Well,
it might be this.
just so you guys believe us, they look like this. Yeah.
And boom. Okay, I think this one's a smoothie. I think.
Yeah.
The-
Looks like a smoothie.
I think it's strawberries. They said strawberry slime, not strawberry smoothie.
See?
This is strawberry slime, not strawberry slime. Okay, I'm assuming it's strawberry smoothie. First, this one's the Starburst slime, I think. I'm assuming. Ew. Oh my god, there's something hard in this.
Okay, guys, so
We paused it because a guy knocked on our
we
door.
forgot a choker thing.
Gave us a choker, I think.
This is Angelina slimes.
Yeah,
so.
I think. Okay, so you can get chokers from her. I think
It
these
came
are
with
really
a
cute.
ring and a bracelet and an actual
I like
choker.
these. I like these. Okay, that's another extra. There's something in there.
What is it?
It's an LPS.
What?
It's a tiny LPS.
It's a lamb!
It's a little tiny LPS lamb.
Oh my god, did you get slime stuck in that? Wow.
Wow.
Open up my
the red bow matches this.
Yeah. Let me get my fruity slime now.
We'll see if
Nothing
there's
in
anything
here.
in there.
There's nothing really in here.
Okay, I'll put
Can't
that back
tell.
in the slime.
You can't tell if there's anything in this. Really.
There you go. Nothing in it? Oh,
yeah.
what?
What is that?
Is
It's like
this?
a pimple.
I didn't. Oh, it looks so.
Oh, it's a little jewel.
Oh, it's a little jewel. Okay, I actually would keep that in there.
Yeah, that's
cute.
cute. That's
I'll
how I
show
put
them
it.
this.
Oh no,
Sorry,
I don't care. I don't waste.
little purple jewel. I have a nose
So
ring.
that's what we're gonna leave. Mama has a nose ring.
Your mom?
So we're gonna leave that in slime because we actually think it's really cute.
Okay, wait. Let
No.
me do this one. I'm gonna do this one because I want to see if there's anything. I don't
really
think this
like
one
this
has
slime.
anything
It feels like
in
a
it.
smoothie.
I feel like they don't have anything
That's
in
just
this
like
one
the color.
because this one like is like really.
This one literally feels like fluffy and like a smoothie. Oh my god, I love it.
Oh my god, this is so sticky.
Oh my.
Don't buy the gold one from her. Sorry, Angelina, but okay.
What is
yeah.
that? Oh, there's a fish in it.
There's a fish in it.
Right, I see.
Show them the fish.
So there's a fish and there's
It's
some slime.
okay quality. It's really sticky though. See, it's really sticky.
Fishy kiss.
Okay, I'm gonna.
I know I saw it.
I'm gonna like put that back in there. Okay, that was okay slimes.
And it came with the apple juice. No, I'm just
no.
kidding.
That does not include.
I'm
It's
so
really-
excited for Little today because we're gonna go get a TV and then we're gonna do a room tour.
Yep.
We might not be able to do it today, but probably tomorrow because to like get like the TV connection.
I do not know why there's like. I do not know why there was like stuff inside of the stuff inside of there. This gorilla thing is so funny.
That actually is for I'm guessing that's for holding like chopsticks.
Oh look, yeah, it's like holding.
I have some chopsticks. Let me go get them.
Okay, so she's getting her chopstick. Whoa. Wait, do the thingies go this way?
It's hard to get it though because the thing. She's attempting to put it back in because like the hole got smaller.
I think. That's not gonna happen. Okay, so actually, it's okay.
Hashtag cringe.
This
is cringe
is
kid.
okay. I mean, wait, move so I can hear it. There's something in there. I could hear it. Hear it.
Yeah, that's for the light, but it doesn't work. Rip-offs.
Rip off.
Yesterday we went to a squishy vending machine.
Oh my god.
We got
And
rip-offs.
They gave us a mustache and stickers.
Yeah. And there's this one really cute squishy, but it was like
Squishy.
stuck to the vending machine.
Yeah, and now it won't come out. And I'm so mad that we didn't get a squishy. That's a rip off.
It was a donut squishy. It was super
Rip
cute.
off.
It was like this big. Though.
Freaking rip off.
Rip off.
Repair.
Take the lamb out.
Oh, we're gonna keep them in there.
Takis.
Yeah, Takis. We got
Guys are all right
Takis. We got
I'll be right
Takis.
back, people.
Okay. So, we're probably gonna do a room tour before she gets her TV. Because we're going to get a TV. for her. We're probably going to do a room tour after this video. So thank you guys so much. Like and subscribe and comment down below if you like this thing. Her slimes were okay. I recommend you don't buy from her or else, because the cost was $79.
Okay, bye-bye.
And we only bought 3 slimes.
Oh.
Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below if you want to buy from her. She said no refund, so okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below if you liked it, and
Subscribe to me on KawaiiCat /
yeah.
KCRP on YouTube.
Okay, and yeah, subscribe. Bye.